Hello everyone, today we're going to be installing Nismo's Winker Set Dark. Yeah, you heard that right. We call it pretty much the clear side markers, but that's the name of the actual product. I'm super pumped up because we have the yellow ones. They're a little dated and they're a little faded. So I thought I'd give it a shot and try these clear ones, especially on our black car. And I did some research. I've never installed these on the R33. From what I saw, it looks pretty easy, but we're gonna find out. So here at Driver's Therapy, we're gonna show you how to install it. We're gonna let you see a before and after and go from there. Okay, so they say that you need to just push this that direction and it'll pop out. I've never done it, so we're gonna go ahead and try it out right here on camera. I'm gonna push. Nope, nothing there. So what I'm gonna do is push this way. Boom, so it was actually that direction. All right, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna twist this connector, boop, and pull it out. I'm gonna gently lay it there, but before we put our new one on, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna clean this area off. I got some simple detailer on this microfiber towel, and I'm just gonna go over it just like that. And then I'm gonna get a paper towel and kind of clean the connector off a little bit too. Making sure things are better than the way that they came off. Now we're gonna take off this bulb here. I'm just gonna pull it out. And now we're gonna go ahead and open up our package. Should be pretty easy to do. And we have a new side marker. And then we have some new bulbs. And I want to give you guys some information about these bulbs. As you can tell, you have a clear one and then you have an amber one here. And that's important because this is considered a turn signal. So with the white bulb, it had a orange lens, and of course with the white lens, we need an orange bulb. Now, as you can tell, this is encased for shipping, but one of the things you don't want to do is you don't want to touch bulbs with your fingertips because our fingers actually have some oils and stuff like that. So you just want to be careful when you're doing that. And I'm gonna slowly take one of these out. I'm gonna get a tool, take one of these out, and then we're gonna install it. There's a slit right here. I'm not sure if you're just supposed to open it up, but I think it just opens right up, right like this. We're gonna pull it out, boom. Okay, now I wanna see if there's a difference. So we got, you can't see it on camera here, guys, but it says Nissan on top. And then this one says Nissan. But when we flip them over, they look identical. We'll flip this one over. It looks identical. So we're just gonna take the first one we have and go put it in. And then we're gonna just put this bulb in here. And before we actually install everything and put it back in, we're gonna wanna test it. All right, guys, so we know the bulb works and everything looks good. All right, we have the Nissan on top on the lens, and if you look over here, it's bigger and then it's shorter over here, so we're gonna match it. We're gonna put this one in first like this. We're gonna push a little forward, and boom, it's in there. And the installation is complete, and I love it. I really think it brings like a cool, like darker, modern look to the GT-R compared to these yellowish orange ones. But what I love is that after we installed the new Nismo ones, we had a place where we could store our old ones in the original package, which is awesome. So I've been buying a lot of Nismo like little parts from this guy or this store on eBay. It's called Your Life, Good Life. It is a very unique name, but they have shipped things correctly. Everything looks genuine and authentic, and it's been great. So we got the rear view mirror Nismo, we got the kind of the wing in cap carbon fiber things from Nismo. We did some install videos for both of them if you want to check them out. But it's been really cool, and I've been really enjoying these small but big upgrades. Well, thank you for watching. We appreciate it. You guys stay safe, take care, and we'll talk to you soon.